Minister wa Kithomo Julius Ogamba ari mbere ya kamiti ya bunge ya Kithomo ugite thiirĩ wa ciringi mbirioni 64 uria thirikari iri naguo wa thukuru cia muthingi na secondary niguo batereirie rubonge rwa mathomo amu mbeca iria igayagirwo mathukuru itikoretwo ikirekererio ibinda-inĩ rĩrĩa rĩagĩrĩire kwa ibinda rĩa mĩaka 5 mĩbĩtũku.
I'm seeing your proposal is to raise a capitation from 1,420, which is paltry, to another paltry figure of 2,238. Is this even going to be helpful? Will this solve the problem?
Honorable Mbui has indicated 64 billion. It could well be the correct figure. The question that we are grappling with as a ministry is, what do we do with it? But even as we are grappling with it, we are still not getting the figure that we are budgeted for from the exchequer because it's not enough.
Abunge aya makiagathana Ogamba mamutindikite au mbere ati kithomo ti kiabure ta uria thirikari ikoretwo ikiuga amu aciari nio mabinyeririkaga kimubuko kuribira indo nyingi iria irabatarania ta mbeca cia igeranio na mathako.
The sub-area and what have you, who runs the activities at those levels? You are telling us that you are the people who run. No, tell the country that you are lying. It is a parent who question on who runs the activities. It's not the ministry, it's not the government.
Why don't you relook on how you disburse the money? Why retain 40% at the headquarters where we have less than 10% of the population? Why don't you remain with 10% and disburse the junk of the money down to the sub-county, county and regional?
The number of students is increasing. The figure remains the same. The disbursements continues being squeezed, not increasing at the same rate. And that's because of the status in the economy, which everybody understands.
Kuringana na ministry ya Kithomo, thukuru ni ibeto kigina ta uria kubatie ugukiririkano riri gutigitie tamu imwe mwaka uthire thirikari irekereirie ciringi mbirioni 28.8 iria ni gicunje kia 50 bari igana.
The amount that is allocated for exams, internal exams, is it enough to pay for the exams that they must do on a regular basis? Because currently these exams are actually some online. And I know that head teachers are asking upwards of 100 to 300 shillings for them to go and download exams for the children to do.
It is a life problem, it's a current problem, it's a problem that we are grappling with and we hope to get a solution.
Ibinda-inĩ rĩrĩ thirikari irarekereria ciringi 1,420 kuri o muruto wa thukuru cia muthingi o mwaka ithenya-inĩ rĩa ciringi 2,238 iria ciendekithĩtio nĩ kamĩtĩ ya mwanya ya Kithomo rũhonge rũrũ rũgĩteta rwongerero kĩgĩna.
And the question was,
thutha wa kwĩrĩkana mbeca iria igayagĩrwo muruto o mwaka nĩ thirikari itiraigana nĩ ũndũ ũrĩa ũtigĩtie ciũria nyingĩ ona gũkĩra macokio kuri muingi ukiuria Kithomo ni kiabure igana kwa igana bururi-ini. Ngiribotera Inoro TV de bunge-ini ya bururi kaunti-ini ya Nairobi. Njĩtagwo Masi wa Ndia wa Mũrĩithi.